The ERA Volt wireless communicating alarm system comes complete with a pet-friendly PIR movement sensor, a door window magnetic detector, 2 remote controls and 2 RFID tags. The ERA Volt wireless alarm system comes with all the fittings and brackets for an easy installation, and you don't need to be a Part P qualified electrician because the control panel plugs into a 13 amp socket. The control panel can be wall mounted or left on a convenient surface. In the back of the control panel, you insert a SIM card in the same way that you would in a mobile phone. And this allows the control panel to alert up to 5 mobile phones of any incidents that happen in the home. Once you've installed the alarm, it's easy to program and set up using the free downloadable app on a mobile phone. The key features of the Volt alarm is that it's easy to operate and to use, with the numeric keypad on the control panel. The pet-friendly PIR movement detector is already registered to the control panel. To activate the sensor, you just pull the battery tag out and the sensor is now live and connected to the control panel. The pet-friendly PIR movement sensor can be adjusted so that the homeowner's pets won't be detected or activate the alarm, and the PIR has a range up to 8 meters. The wireless door window magnetic, again, is already registered to the control panel, so it's a simple matter of just pulling the tag to engage the system. The wireless door magnetic can be installed very quickly and simply using the double-sided sticky back tape that comes in the kit, and it will detect the door or window being opened. The wireless remote control allows the homeowner to simply alarm the system from anywhere around their home, as easy as setting your car alarm. The remote can arm the whole alarm system or just part of your alarm system, and can also disarm the alarm system. And it has a panic button which would activate the alarm system in an emergency even if the alarm is not set. The RFID tag allows the homeowner to disarm the alarm by simply presenting the tag to the control panel. It's ideal for children coming home from school, as they don't have to remember a code or use a remote control. Additional accessories and sensors are available for all ERA alarm systems, and these include external solar sirens, replica sirens, internal plug-in sirens, and a wired external siren. We also do a range of PIR sensors, including curtain sensors, ceiling PIR sensors, and pet-friendly PIR sensors. We also have smoke detectors, water and flood detectors, and panic buttons. You can also add internal IP cameras, range extenders that will extend the transmitting range to up to 250 meters, and a remote battery keypad with RFID capability. And of course, you can add extra remote controls and RFID tags. For more information, visit our website